Look at we got, Zach, we got a fort.
Whoa.
Right here, look.
Look, you can go through this tunnel.
What do you guys think? Hey, Zach, what do you think?
It's fun.
Hey, turn around, buddy. I can't see you. Yeah!
This is fun.
Fort Sumter. We're breaking through.
Oh no. Get the snow out of the way.
Okay.
I'm stuck right here.
Okay, we'll make it. Yeah. All right. What do you think of the fort so far, Leah? You like it?
I actually made one of those like rakes
Okay.
or